Hi, my name is Joe Serino. I'm a fellowship-trained orthopedic surgeon specializing in hip and knee replacements. I just joined the Orthopaedic Associates of Central Maryland, and I'm excited to have recently started seeing patients. I'm originally from New England, and I first came to the Mid-Atlantic for college and medical school at Georgetown University. And it was really during that time that I first fell in love with orthopedics and began to see how much it can really transform a patient's life. Although I treat a wide variety of orthopedic conditions, I really focus on helping patients with hip or knee arthritis, as well as patients who've already had a joint replacement, but may be experiencing lingering issues. I've dedicated myself to staying at the forefront of research and evidence-based medicine. I've published numerous studies in the field of joint replacement and written textbook chapters. And what that means for my patients is I can use the latest technologies and proven treatments to help treat their pain and help them regain their mobility. My goal is to provide the same exceptional level of care that I would want for my own family. I really believe that the best outcomes happen when we work together as a team, and you, the patient, are the captain of that team. From your first visit, we'll work together to create a treatment plan tailored to your unique goals and make sure you feel supported every step of the way. If we do decide that surgery is the best option for you, I use minimally invasive techniques and cutting-edge technology to minimize your pain, accelerate your recovery, and get you back to an active, pain-free life. I also really believe that good communication is the foundation of that team. I understand how much joint pain can impact the activities that you want and need to do, and my priority is to help you get back to whatever it is matters most to you. I think that mobility isn't just about pain, it's really about living a healthier and more fulfilling life. And I look forward to working with you towards that goal.